The IIHS Doctoral Workshop is a wonderful intellectual space that brings PhD students who, in any discipline that they're studying, work on some part of the urban. And it brings them together for a number of reasons. It brings them together to think about how the urban fits into their work, questions of interdisciplinarity, the sharing of methods, looking at strategies on how to survive a PhD program, how to be most productive during the program, but also how to enjoy it and feel nurtured by it and grow within it. This is a vibrant intellectual community of scholars that are coming together to think together for a few days outside the bounds of that specific project. There are two tracks. There is a track for scholars who are before their fieldwork and therefore may be looking for help to craft questions and methods, or scholars who have after or during their fieldwork, who have data in their hands, who want to basically think about analysis and writing. If you're either of these, apply to us. January 2026 in person. Applications are now open and the deadline, very importantly, is November 10th.